Hello, it's me again. Yes, I just wanted to say that before we had the very scary lecture about polymers and God from someone at Durham University at St Peter's School, we had a lecture by Professor Crane from Durham University that I went to, certainly at the university, called something like, "Do animals have intelligence?" Well, yes, I mean, it's fairly clear to me that animals do have intelligence. I once said to my daughter mistakenly that my dog couldn't understand English. Actually, she can. And not only that, the birds can read my thoughts. So, yeah. And, you know, Professor Crane, he actually, yes, he gave us, you may have thought, because, he was meant to be some kind of philosopher or something, and he brought out a book on IT, which I did later get, actually, but I found it unreadable. But his main interest in this lecture was about animals giving warning signals. Yes, to alert the rest of the crew that there was something amiss. I mean, you know, if we really have a white crow or rook, we really have something, quite a big warning signal there. Yes, and you know, there was, you know, people were talking about dogs rummaging through their bins and, you know, in the kitchen when they left them, and what personalities they've got and things like that afterwards. And yes, there was also something to do with autistic children, I believe, and something to do with an experiment that involved dolls that they pretend are puppets, or puppets that pretend are dolls or people or something, to try and experiment on autistic children. Don't know what that's about. Okay then, bye for now. Bye.